When I come to the beach early hours of the morning to walk, on the common sight I see is hundreds of crows also come to the beach to catch whatever they can for them to eat. But a very rare sight sometimes I have seen is a lonely eagle roaming in the sky. It's an amazing to see that eagle's ways in the sky. Eagle is a very unique bird. One of the amazing characteristics. Eagle is quite different to vultures. The vultures always gather around dead bodies. Eagles go for living things. Eagles roam around in the sky about 10,000 feet above. One of the unique features of the eagle is fearlessness. Even when a storm comes, eagle knows how to climb up above about 10,000 feet and take the advantage of the wind and then surge ahead, float in the air. But one of the things which I have really observed of the eagle is the orbit or the circling of the eagle. Eagle has a way, and I see that he roams in a cycles over and over again. And what does he do that? And what is the reason for he's doing that? There's a particular reason. The eagle has one of the sharpest eyes among all the animals, including the human beings. Apparently, he can see even 50 miles away from him. He has strong eyesight. He has a glorious vision, a very panoramic view all the time. When he see a prey, whether it's a rabbit or a deer or a living fish in the sea or in the lakes, he's able to see that prey very clearly from a far away distance. And he's a master calculator. He can be like a glorious mathematician. And he calculates because he goes for the moving things. A rabbit runs fast, a fish also moves fast, also deer also run fast. And he goes for that moving things, and while he is circulating in the air, he calculates the measurement, the speed, the angle, everything that he needs to catch that prey. And then he takes the decision while circulating, and then he makes the final decision to dash. And when he comes there, he catches without a fail. He doesn't make any mistakes. He catches surely. And I think there's plenty of learning for us. We can't be like vultures to go after dead things. We have to go for living things. And we have to make sure that our judgments, the way we measure things, the way we look at things, the way we assess things are very important for us to make the final tip, final dash for the goal that we have. The way of an eagle in the air is awesome.